Hi, is this working? I don't know. This is Lana Williams taking video of my church and the people leaving. I hope you can see this. Lana and Lisa Williams here in California. Our church has been meeting outside on the lawn because Governor Gavin Newsom of California has forbidden churches to meet inside, although he's allowing nail salons and hair salons to open inside, and the mall and some restaurants, and his business, which is selling wine. He has a winery or two, I guess, but he doesn't let the churches open for inside. So this is my church where I go, and these are the people who bring their own chairs and sometimes their own tent. See, families in the morning on a Sunday, and they meet out on the lawn outside the church. And we need our constitutional rights restored, our United States constitutional rights to freedom of religion. We need that restored to us. Maybe we need to take it back. Also, not that many people are wearing masks. Yay. I'm all for not wearing a mask because it's been months and we're all going to be exposed to it. If we haven't already, I already had it in February with a lot of Californians, mild case of coronavirus. So why wear a mask? We're not contagious, we're not sick. And we're not likely to get sick because we've already had it. So here we are, experiencing a little American freedom on a Sunday morning at church. Just to let you know, Lana Lisa Williams on Sunday in October 11th, 2020, signing off. Hope you enjoyed.